In this video, I'm going to show you how I used AIN, a digital marketing system, to get my new clients within 24 hours without posting content on social media and running paid ads. Let's go into it. So for context, I have a VIP coaching package where my clients could text me anytime, any problem that they're having, day or night, and I could give them solutions. So they get access to me 24/7. So my client texts me at 10 this morning going, "Hey, I haven't had anyone for the last 30 days in the CRM. He's running paid ads. What do I do?" For context, every business is seasonal. Not every business gets sales every single month, even if you're consistently running paid ads or you're posting social media content. So this is why it's important to have an automated marketing system to kick in to help you get sales even during the slow times. So what I recommended to my client was to run an irresistible offer as an email marketing campaign. And he's going to send it to two specific lists. One, to the list of the leads that he's collected throughout the year that have yet to sign up for his services. And second, to his list of clients that have left his business, because every business has churn where customers just leave because of, could be any life reason, honestly, they just leave. So you always want to save them in a special place in your CRM. That's why it's so crucial to have a CRM. So this is how I used AI to write that irresistible offer. Number one, I used ChatGPT Plus, and this is why it's important to know how to use custom GPTs in the paid plan and not relying on just general chat if you're just like starting a regular conversation with ChatGPT. The reason why is I have here a custom, my army of GPT. Like these are my GPT agents, like my army of employees. I have one called Offer Architect. This one is gangster because the way I've prompted it with the best marketing, copywriting, and strategies that I have collected over the last 10 years. It knows how to write irresistible offers. For context, every business should have 4 irresistible offers that they're using to start and scale their business. You have a lead magnet offer, low ticket offer, mid-ticket offer, that's your profit driver, or high ticket as well too. And then lastly, a recurring revenue offer. So everything is programmed. I did all my prompt engineering in here. Then I also uploaded it with the best copywriting books. So it's designed and prompted to write the best marketing copy for paid ads, websites, lead magnets, and any of those offers. So I used my custom GPT to write an irresistible offer. So from here, I created 2 email campaigns. Number one, I took the list of all the contacts that he's collected over the year that have signed up for his service since he's running ads and he's collecting emails to build his email list. Not all leads will sign up for his services, for example. So I built an email campaign that will send 3 emails over the next 10 days. The last email is the most important because the last chance email, this offer will expire. It always has like a deadline. That's the one that's going to bring in the most sales, especially. It's just where people just wait till the last minute, which is kind of interesting. And then I ran a second email campaign these are for clients that have signed up for his services. They were with him for a number of months or years, and then they just left for whatever reason. This is called churn in a business. Every business has some monthly churn. This is why it's important to track everything in your CRM so that once clients leave, you have a separate tag in your CRM for clients that left. And then I simply sent out the emails, and 8 hours later, one of the leads responded. He's going to finish signing them up tomorrow, and that's enough to pay for the whole month. That's the power of the reactivation strategy. But in order for you to do this, you need to have a CRM. You need to have a lead magnet where you're collecting emails throughout the year. You also need to have an email automation where you can send emails automatically. And lastly, know how to use ChatGPT Plus, where you have a custom GPT specifically designed for copywriting. And of course, and a business coach that you could text anytime and get a strategy that will make you money within 8 hours. That's wild. So to recap, the most important thing that you need is an automated marketing system that has all of these features all in one app. In my marketing agency, we build one and tailor it specifically for your business so that you could bring in sales year round like clockwork and add a lot of automation behind the scenes. To get a system like that for your business, go to simpletechskills.com and book a free strategy call so we can see exactly what your business needs to automate it and scale it so it brings in sales year round without you having to do any manual work. So take action now, create a reactivation campaign for your business so that you could deploy it whenever you have a slow season. I'm Jonathan Acuna. Hope you learned something. Bye.